Welcome to a pivotal moment for the European pharmaceutical industry. The European Commission's draft revision of EudraLex Volume 4, Chapter 1, marks a fundamental shift in regulatory expectations. This update will reshape how quality and compliance are managed across the industry. Understanding these changes is essential for anyone in quality, manufacturing, or regulatory roles. In this video, we'll break down the most significant new requirements, including the stronger focus on quality risk management and knowledge management. We'll compare the current and proposed versions, highlight what's stricter or new, and explore the real-world impact on daily responsibilities. Finally, we'll connect these changes to global trends and offer practical steps to help your organization prepare. Let's dive in and ensure you're ready for the future of pharmaceutical quality. EudraLex Volume 4 sets the mandatory good manufacturing practice standards for EU pharmaceutical manufacturers. Chapter 1, Pharmaceutical Quality System, is the foundation for all GMP chapters, demanding a management-led, organization-wide approach to quality. It requires senior management to be actively responsible for the effectiveness of the quality system, with clear roles and resources. Quality is not just a department, it's embedded in every process, from raw materials to product release. The system must drive continual improvement, using monitoring and corrective actions to adapt to new risks and technologies. Any revision to Chapter 1 impacts the entire industry, redefining how companies ensure patient safety and product efficacy. Understanding its central role is key to appreciating the impact of the upcoming changes. The draft revision brings major changes, especially in quality risk management and knowledge management. These are now explicit, integrated requirements. Companies must systematically capture, analyze, and use knowledge to drive risk-based decisions. Product quality review requirements are more detailed, shifting from retrospective summaries to tools for continual improvement. Proportionality is introduced, allowing companies to scale quality activities based on risk and product complexity. Supply chain security is emphasized, with stricter expectations for managing supplier risks and ensuring continuity of supply. Scientific rationale and data integrity are now central. Decisions must be evidence-based and well-documented. The new standard demands deeper technical expertise and a more rigorous approach to documentation. Companies must now show not just what they do, but why they do it. The new draft shifts from a procedural framework to a dynamic, integrated system. Quality risk management and knowledge management move from optional to essential, driving decisions across all operations. Senior management's role is now hands-on. They must actively govern and champion the quality system. The link between business strategy and quality objectives is clarified, aligning compliance with company goals. Proportionality allows tailoring of quality systems based on risk, replacing the old one-size-fits-all approach. Supply chain security and shortage prevention are now core responsibilities, not afterthoughts. Scientific rationale is explicitly required. Documentation must explain both what was done and why. The new Chapter 1 is stricter, smarter, and demands a deeper understanding of quality. Compliance now means demonstrating process understanding, not just following procedures. These changes will transform daily roles across the pharmaceutical organization. Quality assurance will shift from compliance policing to leading a risk-based quality culture, guiding teams in risk and knowledge management. Production and QC staff must engage more deeply in investigations, using process knowledge and data to explain their actions. Training will be crucial. Everyone must understand not just procedures, but the scientific rationale behind them. Senior management must actively participate in quality governance, using data to drive improvement and justified decisions. Regulatory affairs will need to clearly communicate the company's risk-based approach and scientific rationale in submissions. Collaboration between quality, technical, and regulatory teams will be essential for a cohesive, defensible quality system. The new expectations demand a more strategic, integrated approach from every role. This update responds to a rapidly evolving global pharmaceutical landscape. Alignment with international standards like ICH Q9 and Q10 is a key driver, promoting global harmonization and reducing regulatory burden. Complex, global supply chains and recent disruptions have exposed vulnerabilities, making supply chain integrity a top priority. Regulators are shifting from reactive compliance to proactive, science and risk-based quality management. Building quality in from the start, through knowledge and risk management, is now essential. For companies, this means greater efficiency and fewer deviations. For patients, it means safer, more reliable medicines. The update is about modernizing the industry to better serve public health. It's not just new rules, it's a new mindset for pharmaceutical quality. The draft revision signals a new era, proactive, risk-based, and knowledge-driven pharmaceutical quality. Don't wait for the final text. Start preparing now to secure a competitive advantage. Begin with a gap analysis. Compare your current system to the draft requirements, focusing on risk and knowledge management. Develop a roadmap for implementation, including new IT systems, updated procedures, and enhanced management reviews. Invest in training to foster a culture of quality, scientific thinking, and continuous learning at every level. This is an opportunity to modernize compliance and build a more resilient, efficient organization. Stay informed, participate in industry discussions, and start your adaptation journey today. Those who act now will be best prepared for the future of European pharmaceutical manufacturing.